We're often told by people we meet that we're different. We've identified 5 reasons, which when we put them all together, build our recipe. First, we always approach everything with a less is more mindset. One of our core values is balance, so we believe that we should be able to have a great business and a great life. Though our job is to build great businesses, they're a result of great people coming together and thinking in the most effective way. So we start by making sure we think smarter so the thought processes are helpful. After all, our thoughts create our actions and our actions create our results. Second, we focused on simplification. Through thousands of hours of learning, we've distilled the building of great people and great businesses down to a relatively small number of principles. We tether our coaching to these principles to create a common framework for learning and discussion with our clients and their teams. This toolkit has been refined and improved across hundreds of businesses and ensures that we all talk the same language. Third, we help our clients get great results. The focus on great mindset, simplification of business principles and relentless focus to adapt those principles to fit each business are guaranteed to cause great results. Our client success stories attest to that. Fourth, we care deeply about the clients who put their trust in us. We see it as a huge privilege to join our clients on their journey, and we don't feel like we've done our job until they've achieved their goals. The best thing is that they often go on to achieve things beyond what they ever thought possible. Lastly, all of the other elements of our recipe lead to highly satisfied clients. Every year, an independently conducted survey measures the level of satisfaction in our client base, and we're proud to have won the highest client ratings award for the UK for the past 7 consecutive years. When we add those things together, we not only back ourselves to help you achieve great things, but have the evidence to prove that we can and care enough to make sure that we do.